how to connect. If you want to connect two or more objects, how do you connect? Generally, if you take a regular databases, you will have primary key, secondary key, foreign key, like this keys you are going to have, right? If you want to connect two or more tables, in the regular database, you are going to have primary key, secondary key, okay, candidate key, like this you are going to have. Now in the Salesforce, relations are established between the tables. The connection between the tables is established using a concept of relation. There are going to be one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, many-to-many relation. So we have one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. Right. Now let us see this. Let us see this. Understand this concept. We are going to start with the one-to-many relationship. When we say one-to-many, there are two types of one-to-many relationship. One is a master-detail relationship. Other one is a lookup relationship. What are the two types of relationship we have? Master-detail relationship, lookup relationship. One-to-many. We have master-detail relationship, lookup relationship. Now, look at this format. Look at this format. It's very important topic. Listen carefully. Very important. I have an object here. Let us assume customer object. In the customer object, I have a table like customer. I have a object like customer, customer ID, city, phone, customer 01, Hyderabad. Every record is going to be having a owner. Every record has a owner. These are the records for. So here we have payment. We have another object which is called a payment. Now listen to this requirement. Each customer can make how many payments? I have two tables. One of the object maintains customer information. Another object maintains payments what you made. All the payments what you made, I am storing in another object. Every customer is going to make how many payments? Every customer is going to make only one payment. Right? Every customer is going to make n number of payments. Let us say student and course. I told every student can take multiple courses. Every student can take multiple courses. What type of relation is this? One-to-many. I told every customer can take multiple loans. I told every customer can take multiple loans. So what is that? One customer, number of loans. One customer, number of loans. One customer, number of loans. Let us say I have taken. Now service provider, I have a request application. Now we have service provider. Let us say service provider means Orange Travels, SVR Travels. Now every service provider will provide how many services? Okay, they are going to provide what? Many services. Orange Travels, Hyderabad to Bangalore one service, Hyderabad to Bangalore second service, Hyderabad to Bangalore third service, Hyderabad to Bangalore fourth service. They can provide number of services. Right? One-to-many relationship. Now I am going customer and I have another option called payment. Customer, another option called payment. Every customer is going to make how many payments? Number of payments. Every customer is going to make how many payments? Number of payments. Otherwise, let me take loan. Every customer can take how many loans? Number of loans. One customer can take number of loans. Can I give a loan without having customer information? Without customer, can I give a loan? It is a mandatory that you have to choose the customer. Without customer, I cannot provide a loan. Without customer, I cannot provide a loan. Customer loan, one-to-many. One customer can take more than one loan. But for every loan, there should be a customer. Am I right? So what type of relation is this? One-to-many relation. In the loan object, I have loan ID. Loan object, I have loan ID. loan type, amount. This is what I have. But it is only storing the loan information. But every loan requires customer data. Every loan requires customer data. So for every loan, there should be a customer. That is the reason what they have done. They want to establish a connection between customer and loan object. They want to establish a connection between customer and loan object. So customer and loan should be connected. So where I will create loan is connected to customer and customer is connected to loan. Now if I say what is that? If I say customer, every loan I have to say who is the customer. On the customer I cannot say which loan because one customer takes multiple loans. I cannot say multiple fields. But on the loan, if I say every loan will have only one customer. Every loan will have only one customer. Every loan will have only one customer. One customer can have multiple loans. One customer can have multiple loans. One customer can have multiple loans, but every loan will have only one customer. So what I am doing? Look at the point. Look at the point. On the loan object, I am creating a field here. I am creating a field. I am creating a field called customer. I am creating a field called customer. Now, loan ID is ID, type of tick list, amount currency. Like that, customer field also have a data type. I told amount, whose data type is currency. Loan type, education, housing, personal, tick list. Similarly, customer is the one of the field. When I created a field, that field will have a data type. So what is the data type here? Master detail. So what is the field I created? I created a field with the data type master detail. I created a field with the data type master detail. I created a field with the data type master detail. I created a field with the data type master detail. Right. Now, what type of field is this? It is a required field. Master detail field is a required field. You cannot leave the field blank. You cannot leave the field blank. You cannot leave the field blank. You have to enter the data. You have to enter the data. So, where I am creating the relation? When two objects are connected by one-to-many relationship. When two objects are connected by one-to-many relationship, on the many side, on which object? Object which contains many records. In one-to-many, when there are relation between two objects, when there is a relation between two objects, which is one-to-many, on many side of the relation, I have to create a master detail. So when you take customer loan, which is having many, which is having one? Loan is many, customer is one. So where are you creating the master detail field? On many side. Now I told, every student can take multiple number of courses. Every student can take multiple number of courses. What type of relation is this? One-to-many. Where should I create a master detail? On a student or course? On a course. I told, every service provider can provide multiple number of services. What type of relation? One-to-many. Who is one? Service provider. Who is service? Many. One is service provider, many is service. Now where is the master detail field created? On the service. If two objects are connected by master detail relationship, listen to the point. If two objects are connected by one-to-many relationship, on the many side, we create a master detail field. One boy can have multiple girlfriends. Now where do you create a master detail now? What is it? Now the point is, one boy can have multiple girlfriends. It is a must that every girl should have a boyfriend. Now it is what? Must. It is a must because what? Master detail. When I say every girl may not have a boyfriend, optional. That is what? It is also one-to-many, but it's called lookup relation. Now, if two objects are connected by one-to-many, that is the point. Listen to the statement properly. Two objects are connected by one-to-many. I told a boy can have multiple girlfriends. What type of relation? One-to-many. Now I told every girl Girl has to have a boyfriend. Then what is that? It is what? Must. Must means what? Must it is. I told every girl may or may not have a boyfriend. It's what? Option. She may have, may not have. That is what? Look up. It is what? Look up. So there are two types of one-to-many relationship. How many types of one-to-many? Two types. One is what? Master and detail. Other one is what? Look up. How many types of relations are there? One-to-many, there are two types. Look up relation, master detail. Right? If you say mandatory, it is what? Master detail. If you say optional, look up. If you say mandatory, master detail. If you say optional, look up relation. I hope I'm clear. People are clear? People are clear? Okay. Look at this. Now I told every loan should have a customer. It is what? Master and detail relation. I hope I'm clear. So let me give you some of the basic points before I go further. First one. Master detail relation. Master detail relation. So what is this master detail relation? The points are there in your hard copy. I already given the points. Listen. Don't be busy in writing the notes. Listen. Master detail. It is one-to-many relation. It is one-to-many relation. Listen to this point. It can be created only on custom object. Master detail field can be created only on custom object. Master detail field can be created only on master detail field can be created only on custom object. Master detail field can be created only on custom object. Master detail field can be created only on custom object. Let us go to the next one. Master detail field can be created only on the object which doesn't have any data, which doesn't have any records. If I want to create a master detail field, object should not contain any records. Look at the point. In the loan object, do you have any records? There are no records. Object which doesn't have any records in it. Object which doesn't have any records in it. Object which doesn't have any records in it. Only on that object we can create a master detail field. I repeat the 2 points. Master detail field can be created only on custom object. Master detail field can be created only on the object which doesn't have any records in it. Object should be empty. It should be custom object. Who created the loan object? Is it a standard object? It is a custom object. So it is a custom object. Do you have any records in the loan? There are no records. So any custom object which doesn't have any data in it, in that object, I can create master detail field. Can I create a master detail field on customer object? It is also a custom object, but what happened? There are already 3 records. So master detail field can be created only on the custom object which doesn't have any records in it. That is the reason I was able to create on the loan object. Okay. Next. It is a required field. It is a required field. Master detail field is a required field. Master detail field is a required field. In one-to-many relationship, on the many side of the object, we create master detail field. Where is the master detail field created? In one to many, whichever the object has many relation, there I am going to create a master detail relation. Then object in which master detail field is created. Object in which master detail field is created. That object is called detail object or child object. Object in which master detail field is created. That object is called detail object or child object. So where did we create a master detail? On the loan. So the loan object is called detail object or child object. Master detail. So what is the detail? Who is the detail? Object on which master detail field is created, that is called detail page. Now this master detail field is going to refer to any one of the data, any one of the parent record. This is referring to the data from customer object. Object whose data is referred by the master detail field. Master detail field is going to refer to data. The object whose data is referred by master detail field, that object is called master object. Object whose data is referred in the master detail field, that object is called master object. Object to whose data master detail field is referring, that object is called master object. Now look at the format. Object to whose data master detail field is referring. Object to whose data master detail field is referring, that object is called master object. Object to whose data master detail field is referring, that object is called master object. We call that object as master object. Now look at the format. We are going to enter the data. Loan number or loan ID 0. So we are entering the data. Here we have amount. There is a amount. Similarly, in this field also I have to provide the data. In this field also I have to provide the data. What it is going to store? It is going to refer to the complete record of a master object. Master detail field is going to refer to what? Complete record. So what is stored here? 18 character ID is stored. But if you display 18 character ID, you will not understand. So while displaying, it will display name field. In the master detail field, what value will be displayed? Name field. But internally, what is stored? Complete record. How do you refer? Record ID. The master detail field, it is going to store. The master detail field, it is going to store 18 character ID of the master record. In the master detail field, what is stored? 18 character ID of the master record. Master detail field. Master detail field is referring to what? 18 character ID of the master record. So whichever the record you are referring, whose record you are referring? C01. So what is stored internally? 18 character ID. It is not storing the customer ID, city, phone owner. It is storing C01 Hyderabad 111 Sham. It is not storing city. It is not storing phone. It is not storing owner. It is storing what? Complete record. But while displaying, I cannot display entire record in the field. It is a single field. I cannot display. If I display record ID, looking at the record ID, you cannot identify what you are referring. That is the reason. What will be referred? What will be referred? 18, okay. Name field of the record. Every object will have name field. Every record has a name field as mandatory field. So whichever the name field you have taken, that will be displayed. But internally what is there? 18 character ID. Internally what is there? 18 character ID. Internally what is there? 18 character ID. Master detail field is internally referring to 18 character ID of the master record. So who is your master record? C01. C01 18 character ID is stored. Is it referring to a particular field? Like name field, city, no. It is referring to complete record. It is referring to complete record. Internally what is stored? 18 character ID is stored. I hope I am clear. People are clear? Okay. Let us go back. Housing. 20,000. Like this we have 04. Like this we created. So what type of relation is this? C01 customer has two records. C01 customer has how many records? I will repeat all the points one more time. Master detail is what type of relation? One to many relation. Master detail is one to many relation. Right. Next. It can be created on which object? On custom object. On which custom object? Custom object which doesn't have any records in it. Object in which I have created a master and detail relation. That object is called detail object. Where I am going to create a master detail? In one to many relation. On the detail page, on the detail, in one to many relation, on the many side of the object, I create master detail. Object in which I have created a master detail, that object is referred as object in which we have created a master detail, that is referred as detail object. Object whose data master detail is referring, that is called master object. That is called master object. What is stored in the master detail field? 18 character ID. What is stored in that? 18 character ID. What is stored in that? 18 character ID. Am I clear? Okay. Now look at the point. If I delete, so let us see this. Who is the master record? C01 Hyderabad 111 Shah. It has some child records. Child records we have 01 education. This one is true. Now, master record corresponding child record. It is a master record. These are what? Corresponding child record. Now, generally, if I delete a record, if I delete this record, what will happen? Whenever the record is deleted, it will go to what? Whenever the record is deleted, what happens? It goes to recycle. If you delete a child record, directly it goes to the recycle bin. So in the recycle bin, what we have? L04. What did I delete? Child record. If you delete a child record, the child record is coming to recycle bin. But now what did I do? I deleted a master record. If I delete a master record, the corresponding child records are also If you delete a master record, corresponding child records are also deleted. If a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. If a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. So what happened? If a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. But in the recyclable, what are you getting? Are you getting C01, N01, N02? Right? No. When you delete a master record, corresponding child records are also deleted, but the deleted child records will not come to recycle bin because you are not directly deleting the child record. Child records are deleted because their master is not there. If the master come back, child will come back. So that's the reason. If a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. Whenever a master record is deleted, whenever a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. So when can you, if you delete a master, childs are also deleted. If you delete child, only child will be deleted. There is no dependency on master and child while deleting. You can delete your child directly, you can delete your master directly. But if you delete a master, corresponding childs are also deleted. There is no restriction that if you have a child, you cannot delete. Child cannot be deleted. No such type of thing. Child can be deleted, master can be deleted. But if you delete a master, corresponding childs also will be deleted. But the deleted child records will not go to recycle bin. If a master is deleted, child records are also deleted, but the deleted child records are not going to recycle bin. People are clear? The deleted child records are not going to recycle bin. Right. Now let us look at this. When a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are. When a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are deleted. Come again. So E is deleted. When you delete the record, what is happening? The value of E is deleted equal to true. Right? If you undelete, E is deleted equal to false. Yeah, object. The record is still in the object only. I told you there is a field called E is deleted. If you delete, the value is going to be true. If you undelete, value is going to be false. Okay. So when a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. But deleted child records will not. The deleted child records will not be displayed in the recycle bin. People have followed these points. If you delete a master record, child records are also deleted, but the deleted child records will not be moved to the recycle bin. Now, still there are many points. Till here, let me execute and show. Then we come back to the English one more time. So let us see. Let me show till here all the points of master detail, whatever we discussed. Let us see them on the screen. We have a customer, we have a loan. Are there any records in the loan? No records. There are no records and loan is a customer. So how can you create? Open the loan object. When you open a loan object, standard fields, custom fields, then clicking on new. I'm clicking on new. Now look at this. What is that data type? You have created checkbox, currency, date, Date and time. Similarly, what is the data type? Master detail is a data type. Master detail is a data type of a field. Master detail is a data type of a field. Next. Then, who is your master? Why I am trading on the loan? Why I am trading on the loan? Customer and loan. One customer can have many loans. So what is the relation? One to many. Who is the many? Loan. That is the reason I am trading on the loan object. Now, loan is referring to which parent? Loan is referring to the customer. Loan is referring to the customer as a master. So which object is taken as a master? Customer. Then enter the field name, customer. I give the field name, customer. Then don't touch any other things. Give next. Why we are getting visible? It is a required field. When the field is required, by default it is visible to everyone. Next. Next. Simply selected the data type as master detail, choosing the master object, then next, save. Then go to the loan. When you go to the loan, what you are finding here? It is a required field. Now, do you have any customer records? Let us see. There are no customer records, right? So let us create some customer records first. If you want to choose any one of the customer, first there should be a customer first. I have a couple of customers. Now we have a group of customers. So we have a couple of customers here. Now go back to the loan now. The loan, I am trying to create a loan. Easy. So look at the loan. So you need to understand one point. I'm expecting you to ask a question here. I'm expecting you to ask a question. What was that? If you create a new, it is showing you what? Owner. If I create an employee, what is showing? Owner. If I show payment, what is showing? Owner. Student, when I go with a student, it is showing owner. But when I go to loan, it is not showing any owner. It is not showing any owner. Why? On an object, if you create a master detail field, that object will not have any owner. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of the child record. On any object, if I create a master detail relationship, on any object, if I create a master detail relationship, on any object, if I create a master detail relationship, then that object will not have any owner field. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of the corresponding child record. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of corresponding child record. Now, on loan object, I created a master detail field. When I created a master detail field on a loan object, it doesn't have any owner. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of the corresponding child record. People have followed? Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of the corresponding child record. That is the reason there is no owner. Fine. I selected TG. Customer. What happened? List of customer records are displayed. Select. Even though CAD001 is what? Name field. Name field can be a text or auto number. I made as auto number. So what is displayed here? What is displayed here? What is displayed? The name field is displayed. But internally what is there? Internally what is there? Internally the record ID is there. So I created the child record. Once you create the child record, go to the customer. Now it's a customer record, right? If I open the record, it is called as what? detailed page of the record information. If you open the master record, below you are finding for this master record, these are the open activities. For this master record, this is the activity history. For this master record, these are the notes and attachment. For this master record, these are so corresponding child records can be seen on the master record. When you open a master record, corresponding child records are visible. Corresponding child records are visible. Corresponding child records are visible. When you open the master record, corresponding child records are visible on the record. So what are these called? Related list. For this master, related open activities. For this master, related activity history. For this master, related notes. Are you getting the point? Right. Now, if I delete a master record as a owner. Now, if I delete a master record, I deleted a master record. Go to the loan and see. Are you finding any loan record? There is no record. But I created one loan, right? So when you delete the master record, what happens to the child? Corresponding child record is also deleted. Whenever the master record is deleted, corresponding child records are also deleted. Now, I went to recycle bin. If I open recycle bin, what you are able to see? Only master record. Are the corresponding child records are here? When I undelete the master record, corresponding child records will come back. When you undelete the master record, child record will come back. When you delete the master, child will be deleted. When I undelete the master, child will come back. People have followed this? Right. Let me create one more example. Now, I have a student and I will take a course. I will take a student, I will take a course. Now let us see. Objects. We already have a course and we have, I will take student registration. Now, registration. Now look at the format. We have student registration. What are the options we have here? Go back and see once again. We have employee, loan, payments, registration. Now, I am going with the course. If I want a course, what I will do? Create tabs. Create a tab. I am trying to take two custom objects. New tab. Already student tab is here. Okay. If student tab is there but not displayed here, what may be the reason? Tab is there but not displayed in the application. So what I can do? Go to the application. Add the student tab to the application. Right. Now let us see. Is the student and registration. Now tell me which will be the master. What type of relation we have between registration and student? One registration is done by many students or one student is doing many registrations? One student is doing many registrations. Now 1 to many. Who is one? Who is many? Where should I create master detail? In the 1 to many, where should I create master detail? On many. Who is the many? Registration. Go to the registration object, but there is a data in the registration. If there is any data, what will happen, boss? It will not allow you to create a master detail. So I deleted the master record. Now when I go to the registration, do you find any owner? Owner is there. Because I have not created any master detail, it has its own owner. Now I am creating master detail. How can you create? Go to registration object, new. What is the first step I have to choose? Choose the data type as master detail. Then choose the object. Who is the master? Student is the. Who is the master? Student is the master. Go to next. Go to next. We are getting a next and save. Next. We have next. We have created master detail. Now on the registration object, new. Are you finding any owner now? Previously there is a owner. So any object on which we have created a master detail field, it will not have any owner. It will not have any owner. Right? Whoever is the owner of the master record, he is the owner of the corresponding child record. So I am creating here. Look at the point. Click on the student, you will be able to see the corresponding student data. I hope I am clear. I hope I am clear. Right. If you delete the student record, what happens? If I delete the student record, what happens? Corresponding registrations will be cancelled. Now, on the student object, I am going to create one more field. Look at the format. I am creating student pick list field. City. Now we got city. So in the student object, I am going to have a couple of records here. I am going to create Satish. I have some phone number, city equal to Hyderabad. Kiran, Hyderabad. Bangalore. How many student records are there? 4 student records are there. Out of 4 students, how many students belongs to Hyderabad? 2 people. How many people belongs to Bangalore? 2 people. Now go to the registration. When you click on the registration, new. I'm giving registration. SFTC. Click on the student. Now we are getting 4 students. I am choosing any one of the student. Clicking on C. Now what is it? I am choosing all the student records are displayed. I am choosing whatever I want. But now, don't display me all the student records. Display me only Hyderabad student records. Now when I click on the icon, what we are getting? We are getting all the student records. Don't show me all the student records. Show me only Hyderabad student records. So what I will do? Go back and go to the field. Go to the master detail field, student. Go to the master detail field. Come down. You are finding here. What is this? Lookup filter. Here, show the filter. Lookup filter. At the time of creating a master detail, at the bottom we have lookup filter. Here we are giving a condition. What is that? If student city equals Hyderabad. If student city equals Hyderabad, if student city equals to Hyderabad, if student city equals to Hyderabad, then only show the records. Then what I'm doing was, go to the registration, new, click on the icon. Which records we are getting? Only Kiran and Sarish. Why? Which records of the master should be displayed in the pop-up window? Which records of the master should be displayed in the pop-up window? That I can control with what? Lookup filter. At the time of creating a master detail field, we have a choice called lookup. Look at this. At the time of creating a master detail, we have an option called lookup filter. Lookup filter. If we define, we are going to get the record. Right now, whose records we are getting? Kiran Satish. Now I change the condition. I told show me Bangalore records. Don't show me Hyderabad records. Show me Bangalore. Go back. We have Hari and Prasad. So which records of the master should be displayed on the pop-up window is controlled with master detail lookup filter. Master detail lookup filter. Am I clear with this? Now I selected Hari. When you saved, you are getting Hari. Hari means what? While displaying the name field is displayed, but internally what is there? Record ID. It is not a name field, it is not a phone number, it is a complete record. Complete record is different. Okay. Now, once I created a master detail field, then I created a child record choosing the Hari as a parent. New registration record is created. Registration is created by choosing student as the master. Registration is created by choosing Hari as the master. Hari is the student. By choosing Hari, registration is created. Now later on, can I change my master? I already created a child choosing Hari as a master. Child is created by choosing Hari as a master. Later on, can I change the master value? Now look at this. I want to change my student name. Is it possible? Once the change record is created, you are not able to change your master. What has happened? Lock is issued. But according to my requirement, I should allow the customer to modify his parent. Then what I will do? Go back to this. Again, go to the master detail. You are finding here. What is this? Hello. If I select this hello reparenting, go back again. If I say hello reparenting, now am I able to modify my parent? I created a registration by choosing Hari. Later on I decided my parent should not be Hari, my parent should be Prasad. My parent should not be Hari, my parent should be Prasad. So can you modify your parent? Yes, I can modify. When can you modify your parent? When hello reparenting is enabled. Whenever the hello reparenting is enabled on the master detail, you are allowed to change your parent. People have followed this. People have followed. Now I can control which records of my master should be displayed on the pop-up window. Which records of my master should be displayed in the pop-up window by using what? By using lookup filter. Now I can convey which fields I can convey. Boss, if I want to change my parent, am I allowed to change my parent? Yes, provided hello reparenting option is enabled. Provided hello reparenting option is enabled. I hope you are clear. People followed? Right. Now, next point. Listen to the next point. Listen carefully. I have one master record. Customer ID. This is the master record what I have. For this master record, I have couple of change records. These are the change records. I have a master record. I have the corresponding change record. Master record with the corresponding change record. Now the question is, who can create child for C01? C01 is the master record. Who can create a child for C001? Who is allowed to create a child for C01? Who can modify childs of C01? Who can delete the childs of C01? So the question is, when you have master record with child record, who can create, who can edit, delete child records for a particular master record, who can create a child record for a particular master record, who can modify the child record for a particular master record, who can delete the child records. I hope you are clear with this. I hope I am clear with this. Okay. The next step. To answer this, we have a condition. Look at this. Have a master record. Now, let me give you some. Now, Sham have read permission on the master record. On the master record, what permission Sham have? Ram also have a read permission. Wilson has read and write. Faraz, no permission. Now, on the master record, who has the read permission? Sham and Ram. Who has the read and write? Wilson. Faraz don't have any permission to see the record, C01. Now, we have two choices. First choice. Any one of the choice I have to choose. I will choose any one of the choice. Now I have chosen. When I choose this choice, what does it mean? Any user in the organization who have minimum or at least read access on master record can perform. Any user in the organization who have at least read access on the master record, any user in the organization who has at least read access on the master record can perform read or can perform create, edit, delete on if I choose this option, what happens? Any user in the organization who have at least the read access on master record, who has at least read access on the master record, who has at least read access on the master record, they can perform create, edit, delete on the corresponding change record. They can perform create, edit, delete on the corresponding change records. No boss, I don't choose this. I choose this option. If I choose this option, it says any user in the organization who has at least read and write access master record can perform read, edit, read on corresponding change. So out of these two, anyone have to choose. Let us assume I have chosen this option. Let us assume that I have chosen the first option. If I choose the first option, who can create, edit or delete the change records? Shyam, Ram and Wilson. I told at least read. At least it means read and above permission. Who have the read? Shyam, Ram and Wilson. Wilson also have a read permission, right? No. I have chosen the second option. Suppose if we choose the second option, only those users who have at least read write. Minimum read and write permission that you have. Who has that permission? Wilson. So who can create or edit the records? Who can create, edit or delete? Only Wilson. Are you getting my point? Which users in the organization can create, edit or delete the corresponding change records? That depends upon the option what we have chosen. If we choose the first option, any user in the organization who have minimum read access on the master record, they can perform, create, edit or delete operation on the corresponding change record. If I choose the second one, any user in the organization who have at least read and write access on the master, only they can create. So second option is created, only Wilson can create, edit or delete the change records. If I choose the first option, Wilson, Shyam, Ram, all the three people can create, edit or delete the corresponding change records. People have followed? Where is this option controlled? Look at the point. At the time of creating a master detail field, what we have done? Field label, master detail. What is the point we are getting? Select minimum access level required on the master record. What type of access is required on the master record to create, edit or delete detailed records? To create, edit or delete detailed records. What is that? Read only or read only. Any one permission I have to choose. People are clear with this? People are clear? So, let me give you the navigation once again. Setup on, let us say, payment, okay, on registration I am trading. One more master detail. Look at the point. New. What is the first step? Choose data type. Second step, choose the parent. Suppose you are choosing the parent as course or a customer. Any one of the objects. Next, enter the field. Then, what is the third one? Sharing setting. What is the point? Which user in the organization can create, edit or delete the corresponding change record? Depends upon sharing. Then, LOD parenting. What is the meaning of this? Once the change record is created, can it change its parent value? Yes, sir. Lookup filter. What is that? When you click on the icon, pop-up window is opening from where you are going to select your master. Which records of the master should be displayed? I can define by using what? Lookup. By using the lookup filter, I can use it. People have followed. Then I will give next and save. Next and save. People are clear? Once again, I will revise all the points what we have discussed. Look at the points. First of all, what is this master detail relation? Master detail is what? One to many relation. Master detail is what? One to many relation. Master detail, it is one to many relation. Master detail, it is one to many relation. Master detail is one to many relation. Okay, second one. It can be created only on custom object. On which part of the custom object? Only those custom objects which doesn't have any records in it. Only on those custom objects which doesn't have any records in it. Right. Now, it is a required field. What is stored in this field? Master record, 18 character ID. 18 character ID of the master record is stored. What values are stored in this? 18 character ID of the master record. What is stored in this? 18 character ID of the master record. 18 character ID of the master record is stored. What is stored in this? 18 character ID of the master record. Okay. Let us go to the next one. When you are going to the next one, let us go to the next one. Master detail, object on which master detail is created. Object in which master detail is created. Object in which master detail is created. That object is called detail object. That object is called detail object. Okay, next up. Object whose data master detail field is referring. That object is called master object. Object to whose data you are referring in the master detail. That object is called master object. Any object in which master detail field is created, that object will not have any owner. Any object in which master detail field is created, that object will not have any owner. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he will be the owner of the corresponding child record. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he will be the owner of the corresponding child record. Whoever is the owner of the master record, he will be the owner of the corresponding child record. Am I clear? Fine. If you delete a master record, what will happen to the child record? Corresponding child records are deleted. If I delete the master record, corresponding child records are deleted. If a master record is deleted, corresponding child records are deleted. But the deleted child record will not be going to recyclable. When the master record is deleted, corresponding child records are deleted, but it will not go to recyclable. When I undelete the master record, corresponding child records will be undeleted. Are you clear? Now, how many master detail fields we can create? 2 master detail fields. On an object at max, how many master detail fields we can create? 2 master detail fields. Now, can I create a master detail field on a standard object? Can I choose the standard object as a master? Yes. Master can be a standard object or a custom object. But child can be always custom object. Master can be a standard object or a custom object. But the child is always custom object. I hope you are clear. Any further queries? People have followed? People have followed? Any further queries on this? Clear? That's all from my end. We'll continue tomorrow. Right. Any further queries? People have followed? Right, boss?